Managing your team's access in Ordoro is simple and customizable, allowing you to keep operations secure and efficient. Let's walk through how to add and manage users. To add a new user to your Ordoro account, click your company name in the upper right corner and select Account Settings. In the Account Settings menu, click Users on the left side of the page, then select Add a User. Enter the new user's name and email address, then click Create New User. An email will be sent to the user with instructions to set up their password and log in. Once the user is created, you can customize their permissions. This includes removing admin access, restricting access to specific functions, or limiting visibility to certain areas of the app. Use these settings to tailor access based on each user's role. After setting the permissions, click Save to apply the changes. You can always return to the Users page to update or manage user permissions as needed. With these steps, you can efficiently add and manage users to keep your team organized and secure.